Namlenge Samala, Tomar Adu Dili Sumdishara. The name that in the Nima Ajuda Tamadi Chari Ore. They are the Nadre Shalia, the name Yasalani. Sudumadi, Chazan, Kajuda, Tubianuch, the G, in Baradin, Jusanda, Kazan Kondo, Labje Cordi, Shune, Persijuk Labjadi, Chinsabche, and the Shudelia, Dole Sone, Dole Sone, Labjashi. Sadim to the others.
Good morning, everyone. Today is our last day, which means that this morning we will complete our exploration of the 37 practices of the Bodhisattvas. Yesterday we completed the sections concerning the training of a Bodhisattva, the section on the 6 perfections, and that on the 4 dharmas taught in the sutras.
Shora Susujiba Shloga Susumba Niguruangi Pizuze Yurji Tesamgobe Chawanyam Gurbi Zashi Kimda Jida Kim Namla Chababon Yasela names. That digi Tene Labja Sumba Dole Chon Labja Sumba Jindaga Chimle Chabapon Asa Dimare.
Continuing from where we left off, on page 31, stanza 33, toward the top of the page, presents the third of the 4 dharmas of the sutras, dharmas taught in the sutras, which is training in abandoning attachment to the homes and wealth of donors or patrons. It says, due to wealth and honor, we quarrel with one another, and the activities of hearing, contemplation, and meditation diminish. It is therefore the practice of a bodhisattva to abandon attachment to the homes of benefactors and loved ones.
Jedada Ranile Niebato Kuti Jimbege da Zashi Chobodan Jindala Sobana Chabe Wangang Chabe Gunzengi Tibachambore Shube Kansa Nam Pinzu Nigurgi Dendo Zebar Yua Da Tesam Gombala Sobegi Chawanamja Nyamber Yua in Bishina Tene rangi zashi kimda jindaga chimla chababawandi Tene gyawesa bachirsumanamgi da ningur ore da gyawesa bachirsumanamgi Tene ningur jungwe kimla chababawzi di imbara eson
When Mahayana practitioners become overly attached to friends and donors, especially the homes of friends and donors, who are sources of both acquisition or donations and respect. This can cause competition among such practitioners for the sponsorship of such donors, which in turn causes an impairment, brings an impairment of their discipline of hearing, thinking, and meditating. So it is therefore a practice of the Bodhisattva to not become attached to the homes of patrons or any place where you expect to receive donations and respect.
다들 조대 지 예바도 고딜래야 차바보아 대바총 초시바 되지 과데 개침보이바 드레임베 소레 드레인 주사네 가담베 계시에 고만남기 가르소어서나 초시 로다데네 추부터도 있어 강라신 자면은 기비터도 있어 렌주사나 초시베게 로단 데베이나 추부터도 있어 렌주다 초시 초시 매비나 그런지 가수로다지 전부니 시분디 그런 가수지 론주야를 주여비네요 되게 이층 벌어지다 다나 신기 로데버스게 용 말했어 초시에바 초시에 투나 그거지 세다 그 녀연 점섬 세다 그 탭차로 지기 되는지 2천바다 로데버를 용으로 드린 주산디 주산데네 초시에도 되나 주부터도 있어 되네 강래야 셴바면 기부터도 있어 강래야 셴바면봐 지 셈데 세사로다 다나 신기 지 지 가르다지 셈데 세사 안데지 루인 세사로 사마로지 진짜면아 되네 기부터도 있어나
The principal message of this stanza is that we need to abandon attachment to acquisition and respect. About this, the great early Kadampa masters said, the possession of contentment is the greatest wealth. The absence of craving is the greatest happiness. Without contentment, even if someone came to own the entire world, the whole planet, they would not be satisfied, and they would therefore not be happy. On the other hand, if you have contentment, then even if your clothing and food are meager or shoddy, you'll still be happy. Likewise, if you have no craving, if you don't want things particularly, you'll be perfectly happy, because not wanting things, you won't worry about getting them, therefore you won't be stressed out, therefore you'll be perfectly happy.
다드네 슐로가 숨수시바 주무치기 신심 총교르진 야외서 이주주념교르베 대실 신기 이도 명회 특수보가 야살라네스 다디기 주무치기 암 특수마보한데 임브레
The next stanza, stanza 34, says, harsh words disturb the minds of others and cause bodhisattva activity to diminish. It is therefore the practice of a bodhisattva to abandon harsh words that are unpleasant to others. This is an instruction to refrain from harsh or abusive speech.
다디 그 측수마 뭐한데 그 가르쳐야 되지 고대버르시 가르쳐다 지 가르쳐라다 도중 그런 거 꾸니라는데 세미님에 줘봐 다들으시 안드레 인두산다 주주데 거라 덴바이나한다 다나 좀 덴바이나한다 안드네 응어스 지 응어스 가르라다지 我是人一个觉为难着，现在觉得就为难着，看到看人民呢，大看到这个呗，吃住嘛的，也不买来送。第个，说真的，现给什么出不能有啊？你把的教育社会成熟什么那么的，就看出来的这个，现了，马为钱了。这讲不了嘛的，这个人不了嘛，真这个，这最的人不了有的说。
In a sense, this is quite easy to understand. What it describes is a situation where, motivated by any one of the three poisons, one speaks harshly to another person. Whether what one actually says is true or untrue, and whether you actually utter the harsh words yourself or somehow get somebody else to do it for you, in either case, it's no good. And it's no good for two reasons. The first reason is it hurts people. It disturbs other people's minds. The second reason is it contradicts the bodhisattva discipline of being gentle and restrained in speech.
大体下来说了个是双个吧。牛毛看的年不多个喂，前期基于年不成熟呢，差数牛毛汤不见嘛，他不准备吧，加塞拉呢。大体个拉不着苏吧，拉不着苏吧啥的，汤不不清楚拉不着许什么钱，你把的到呢。从来拉不着西的虚什么钱，他的呢拉不着苏巴的，在外拉不着苏巴的，牛毛本嘴来拉巴啥的，现在这个牛毛本嘴来拉巴的点没来。
Stanza 35 reads, When the afflictions are habitual, they are hard to cast away with antidotes. Therefore, with mindfulness and attentiveness, wielding the weapon of the antidote, it is the practice of a bodhisattva to crush mental afflictions, such as attachment, as soon as they first arise. This is the instruction on the crushing or flattening of mental afflictions, which is the third section of the instructions on the bodhisattva's training. The first was the training in the six perfections, the second was training in the four dharmas taught in the sutras, and this is the third.
打第一个，这个套了嘛，这些的比较呢，这个套了嘛，这些的较呢。好了，牛毛搞那是，你别多搞为是。打第个的时候是呢，查巴了说呗，这牛毛这个的，牛毛他们看这些结为呢，天来呀，你不嘛代表钱呢，结的久呢，或者结的久下呢。Tene rangi tadi semle ya kumdi su kyone, komishi dibur kyone. Ane chi su, chi ni ji nyambu tenpa ina yang, nyambu do gao, shindu pong gao chagares. Tene di yunsen la tene, chenpa da xixin ki kwa ne, da chenxi giwi su du sa ne, da chenpa da xixin ki kwa ne. chenpa sayade zode langdor mijebe chenpa. Xixin sayade ji gosum ji negab khande chagado pe karshura daji khande chagado nizu khande chagado kora dindege awareness samana xixin da degi chenshi gibus da chenpa de xixin di gibu 강사지 내시 전에 배나지 되게 라바라 카두이네지 년뷰그 천재 송네 천재 돕는 데만 송네 다 카두이네지 가수래 아버지 하고라스 다 카두이네 베 가수라다 베 다디 제 위계를 깨면은 원사차오를 가두이네 섭섭차오를 했다. 섭섭차오를 했어. 아니 쟤네 차발로 소베 되게 당부 계획 그도네 깨마타도 물은 좀 곰부르 잡네 그럼 만점 버채고 그래서
If we look at the words of this stanza, the first line describes the situation where we have become used to a mental affliction, which means that we have not, when the mental affliction has arisen, we have not attempted to apply its appropriate remedy or antidote. We simply have let the mental affliction become a usual and therefore an habitual thing. Once you allow a klesha, a mental affliction, to become habitual, even if you subsequently attempt to apply the appropriate remedy, it may not work because the habitual quality of the mental affliction makes it somewhat impervious to the appropriate remedy. So how do we prevent this from happening? And that's described in the second line, which says, place the weapon of the remedy in the hands of the strong person of mindfulness and vigilance. The image here is that the two faculties of mindfulness and vigilance are like the hands of a strong person who can thereby hold and wield the weapon of the particular remedy for the particular klesha. Now, mindfulness refers to a recollection, memory, mindfulness of what you want to do and what you want to not to do. So it's mindfulness that enables you to make the correct moral choices in the beginning. But in addition to mindfulness, we need vigilance. And vigilance is the actual awareness, ongoing and frequently refreshed awareness of what is actually happening with your body, speech, and mind, what they're actually doing, what their state actually is. And so, by possessing mindfulness and alert vigilance and maintaining these all the time, you remain careful. And by being careful or circumspect, you can, as soon as a klesha arises, stamp it out. And that's what the third line describes when it says, as soon as a klesha has arisen, a klesha such as attachment and so on has arisen, stamp it out. And you stamp it out by applying the remedy as soon as it arises when the klesha is still weak.
다들랑 지단기 남기 가담 고마데지 다 송가 나로야 탐지엘로 가담 기시 고마데지 송 탐지하나 지거리 지 녀모베 녀브르존나 쉐인스 men존나 쉐민스 송버다보다 녀모바 카제도다 쉐이거 바치 this one but the other. You more about a jagatel. You more about a jagatel in the dig chain and save a gobaka or matters. This one but the demand on the other. Tantonaji chain and the chevy now, the so the Yomobe number drop to Bachita. Rangu Duvegi Chagan Gurto Barbuchi. The Nejugo on it.
All of the great Kadampa masters have taught similarly that if it serves as a remedy to your kleshas, it is Dharma. And if it does not serve as a remedy to your kleshas, it is not Dharma. In other words, we cannot practice Dharma while continuing to give our kleshas an opportunity, while continuing to entertain our kleshas. because the point of Dharma is to tame, subdue, or conquer the kleshas.
지르지 최기 되는데 지 다르마사 책이 된다 먹지리 아니 주구에 비냐 남주에다 조조데 단디 최대 다 참선 주에 되나 주구에 버렸다 저 소주체 봐 근데 된다는 주구에 버려 드레인 주사네다 금들이야 소주야 샘데 소주야 툴도 없이 락전 없이 제자들 락자디 이지 배주 땅네 에고 소주 잡고 마도 베게 지차 쳐바 비싸로 전 베게 샤샤지 저거 락자로 봐 락자 인자고 배주 땅 배주 땅네 배주 땅 곳에 다 배주 땅고 배주 땅나 한거 라자도 예배게 거봐 대 창이 말이야 배주마다 그 예배 거봐대 이제 청거
There are many meanings to the word Dharma, but one of its meanings, especially if you consider the Tibetan Chu, is to fix, change, or improve. So basically we regard Dharma as a tool that we use to fix or change, for the better, our minds. Now as a tool, it has to be used. Possessing the tool and not using it is not going to achieve the function which the tool is designed to serve. If you leave a tool on the tool bench, it doesn't do anything. Similarly, if Dharma is not used to fix or change your mind for the better, then it really has no point.
대야 되는 디우가나 저 더부지 디우가나 지스 말에 된제기 간다르지 가담 고만데 주기 나로 디우가나 저야사 내용이요 다티게 very emphasize 뭐 다시 하장기 낸덴체 보이게 되는지 주는 거 알아요. 낸덴체 보. 다디 가르스나 나주기 녀몽방에야지 녀보지 대학 신다 지가 이용 녀보지 된 투미투다 최다를 지야 돼. 아주 제투고요. 되게 든든지게 다 그렇죠. 최다 지하기 비 삼로다. 좋아. 근데 아주래 요 말해. 대메주산에 안 거랑 녀모바 니마리 나로래고 녀모바 가르 깨베나 거랑 가르치기도 그렇고 깨 쭉샤 버려 마도베 대량 아주기 가르쳐다지 콜레지 컨트롤 소문다 될래지 주세지 교화동하러 된저기 탑시 가야 쳐요 대 맞에도 다 녀모바리 지 가져요. 최 냠령원에지 연투하되 갈라 가보시면 차대요.
The practice of using white and black stones to represent every virtuous and unvirtuous thought and thereby count the number of each was very much emphasized by the early Kadampa masters, because we cannot easily measure the degree to which we are actually applying the remedies to our kleshas, which means basically that we don't like to. We habitually like to sort of let our kleshas slide through, let them rip, without any kind of control. And this makes it very, very hard to conquer the kleshas.
세상 아주 니마 다와 망보치리야 되바돼요. 칸되어로 치아요. 이등기 균제들이 냠는 치아요. 제 제가 좀전에 가라서나 간다 아주 니마들이야 지금 미유로 주셔버쳐 미유지수야 처시로 주셔네 간다 미지 니마디 되는 데만 와서는 나도 저 최대 투명이 알아. 되는 지금 매수치기 알아마도 디지 가르쳐다지 수수기 버든도 따지 인지미 제거하는 저 태그 소리지 따지 마제랑제도지 되도지 삼담이나 펜더스케요 만나 되는 아주 딱 한다 수수 셈디 코랑 가완로이는 로주샤마 마이바 수수기 셈데라 갑쇼도지 렌체 하다 갑쇼 니 초냐 로고여스 들려 거가 가르쳐 저 람드는지 수수 제고 수수 갑쇼 땡고 대마den지 코랑 가완로는 로주샤마 아니 셈자 꼭 정보차네 아니 거르베랑 아주 뿌든데 당매지지 뭐 지로 당사나 아니 미디 경 거리거리 가르쳐 저 정보를 찾아 미거본으로 찾아 근데 용어로 봐 어다 되는 지 셈데 정신이 정보 찾아 셈 거보 찾아지 근데 용어를 제가 인지미지고 아니 보고도 그 뒤에는 쭉쭉 그런 나가라듯이 예비치 될수 로제 아니 콜레디지 가지고지 조기는 비슷하면 다지 웜 지금 김상기 디기는 다 조기를 콜 이제 소르트거든 좀 뭐를 대 중소나 아니 그 셈 디지 가지고 셈들이네 인주도 대마선은 다도 그 디지 셈디 주부시라면 잠보를 찾아야지 용어래서
Similarly, every day we do liturgical practices. For example, we recite and meditate on the daily practice of our yidams and so forth. And we do this so that we focus our day on goodness, that we point our mind for that day in the right direction. If the observance of such daily practices is perceived as some kind of burden, like taxes you have to pay on a daily basis, then there's really no point in it. The point of such daily, regular observances is to gain the ability to choose the direction your mind moves in, so that your mind doesn't wander like an unparented or unsupervised child who gradually becomes wilder and wilder because they have no core. Just as parenting involves providing the warmth and safety of a home that forms a solid care for the cultivation of a gentle mind in the child, in the same way we do this with our daily observances.
Tane yuzana jigi chue cha sa de ta di sa ma jigi chue sa de jigi chue che se very very peaceful somewhat very relaxed 느낌이 통과를 되게 디 meditation 루체 배 가져다지 디 소수디 소보디 very comfortable position somewhat 다지 energy dan very comfortable cushions on the digan dan energy so보디 very comfortable position somewhat 지 독단들이 지 가르쳐 there and little bit smile your face a little bit smile some to absorb some the just be peace that relax the absorb the chi기 그러지 다 내 중국어로 봐 다이네 최사디 not just like you don't need to do anything like besides because not just peace and relax. Did you both just help me? Need to take effort. Someone about that, 그런 배주셔가지. You need to take strength. That damn busy. Sometimes someone about that, sometimes 배시라기 가서. massive 가르쳐다지 트레이닝 som라 지금 늘지고 하지. 배는 말 마저 채는 것이. momenti solea magjon chidu san ma une jabana shi realistic magjon mangbo te te magjon mangbo te be na sani ma jabe ne ga ma une te magjon su cha e shira ji karu samne ji chari cha san shi chi magjon di ma une jabana shi chi so tu na sani ma une de magjon na ji ru cha ta ji ri shi ora 제가 참참 it's will that 근데 지금 not so comfortable somewhere 참참 energy pen 수술 마대와 pen 망보 연구를 다는 신기 마대와 망보 연구를 에너지 마지바 망보 연구를 린두상 곧 지금 realistic training charge 마다베 그게 르르지 대체 뭐베니지 가서지 realistic 될 삼동 뭐지 그게 르르지 수수직 삼으신다르지 직딩신다르지 나눠라 피오람 저지 나로디게 삼다데디 이거 말봐
A lot of people think that Dharma is all about relaxation and being at peace. That meditation is essentially relaxation, where you try to relax and make your body as comfortable as possible, sitting on a very comfortable cushion in a very comfortable posture, very relaxed, with a slight smile on your face, and a mind that is in a state of deep peace and relaxation. Nevertheless, Dharma is not actually just doing nothing and resting in relaxation. Dharma requires effort, it requires strength, and sometimes it requires a great intensity of training, somewhat like the training that we find in the military, where much of the training of those in the armed forces actually imitates the conditions of warfare, so that when the soldiers, properly trained, are in the field, they are prepared for what they're going to experience and for what they're going to do. Similarly, Dharma, which prepares us for life, is not always so comfortable. Sometimes it's extremely uncomfortable, even painful and irritating, because Dharma training to be effective has to be realistic. We cannot use Dharma as a way to avoid reality and try to live in a dream of some other world, such as a pure realm or something.
다디 제ля 랍제 자와 랍제 시버디 자 다디 쇼장 술수니바 쇼로가 술수르바 도나 칸도 제놈 지지 랑게 심기 내가 진짜시 균도 전에 시신 때문에 현준주바 야살라래 다디기 전바다 시신의 대표권에 현준주바를 라바디
Next, on the top of page 32, we find stanza 36, which explains the fourth aspect of the Bodhisattva training, which is a training in benefiting others through the application of mindfulness and vigilance. And it says, in short, whatever you are doing, to always, through mindfulness and vigilance, ask yourself, what is the state of my mind? And thereby accomplish the benefit of others is the practice of a bodhisattva.
다디 튼다디 가르스나 자외세버 전주 선반남기베 가르다지 쥐바스는 장도 라랭게 좀바 ngarseba da 탐제 퇴 돌dü비나 네 강도 쥐람 지체베네 주름 넘버 시섬 다 간다 주름 지리 셔비는 랑기 셈기 내가 봐 셈기비 니주주디 계획이 안내도 당 미기wen 안내도 양양배 딱지체 양양 딱지체배 토네 남균대네 참바다 신신 마냥바시고 알았어 참바다 신신 마냥바 그 띵도 ane shenbengi samba chodan denbe chodan shenbengi samba sambu jibe yi le jang ne degi simje shingi tuan zhuya de an gyawai sabi chishi samba namgi tuni zhube be langlan tamje ge zawang nengaru de teres ring yusan di gyunzel de ne da di kachun dorshil gi dibe ina da kandar chanjusebe기 제 라네 nengaru tel tudiyo ares.
This stanza actually summarizes all of the preceding stanzas describing the training of a bodhisattva. The point of this stanza is that if all of the training, all of the practices of a bodhisattva is summarized, it consists of in every place, in every environment, in every situation, and at all times, to constantly apply both mindfulness and vigilance to the honest investigation of the state of your own mind, and to ask yourself the question, is my mind at this moment in a state of virtue or a state of negativity? And based on that, to accomplish the good of others and thereby automatically the good of oneself. That is the essence of all aspects of a bodhisattva's training.
다들은 지단계 랍샤 야외 새벽에 랍샤다 가주지 망부지원도 알아 랍샤트 다탐지 지 뭐냐 뭐 송을 쳐발래야 지 탑시 가려 알아서 라비미나 아니 지 샘송고르스 랑게 샘디베 송겹체 샘들 나보야 오게 제대 될래야 아주 제대 전부 시작고르스 샘 강게 송고르스라마 전바다 시신기 신신의 마체베 거네 아니 베바케치 송고르스 드니 주사라 다지 샘 송더블라 전바다 시신의 진행이 된 거봐 인지미 된 거봐 드니지 버려.
What is being said here is that while the training of a bodhisattva has many aspects, the only way to cultivate that training, to guard or protect that training, is to guard one's own mind. And guarding one's own mind means to use the two faculties of mindfulness and vigilance to form the basis of, or use those faculties in an effortful way to investigate the state of one's own mind.
다대야 참바사와데 거래서나 랑도르 지주기지 민남 마제베차 선에다도 랑도르 지주기 남샤 못주부차 징에 디지기 야 에너지 참바스가 알아.
Of these two faculties, mindfulness is the faculty of not forgetting what to do and what not to do.
시신사다 가라서는 랑게 고숨기 자wak한데 챵베나 대다탐제르베 소소로 또 링이 강을 주고 뇌스 링주산다 가다 시신사 치코라 전신 시신 주산에 지기 자wak한데 챵베네 전신 시신 병어 시신 내가 니주 가르쳐도 하고기고기 하저 하고기고기리야 자주 거르만다 하마고 버저 탐미투미도 제 진짜게 안에 안 드라이어 마스
Vigilance is the faculty which enables us to recognize what our bodies, speech, and mind are actually doing, what their actual state is. Literally, we could say that what we call vigilance means knowingly or consciously. In other words, to be aware of one's own body, speech, and mind, to be conscious of them, not to allow them to act unconsciously.
어다 드린 유산에다 디 유제되네 전시 바이오사리 다 개심을 잘해요. 전시 바이오사리 가르지 지기 매위미나 전에 지기 가르 년보 된도지 연구만에 다른 신기 에네 가르지 지 전주선배가 라브자망부셔비 인도자 대줄레 마냠버지 아까라 합차대요.
So, mindfulness and vigilance and care or circumspection are extremely important. Without them, you can't or won't apply remedies to kleshas, and you can't or won't sustain the training of a bodhisattva.
되네 유산다 엄마 가담베 계시 오만디즈 가르치고서나 아니 뒤다도 템베 차라키 시신기 따도지 바위기 수행치 그래서 되네 유산 뒤다도 템베기 차라치고 그래서 가르쳐도 따지체 가르치 차라치고 그래서 아니 시신기 따도시 안 바위기 섭섭체 수행체 되셔고서 나중에 주산 다 제시 바이오사 되거나 수수술을 내가로 곱시게 단도나 조조 숭야데 가르sun 거라서 숭야 찍마도 어마네 다들 가르잖아 녀몽바 디 간지셔도 녀몽바데 다 지수수기 지 저우스나다도 수술베 네 겐겐데 베 독슈디 다 데임바레 대주사나 디 간지셔 코 퀸니주 간지셔도 코 거두 용고도 진짜 고려양 아주 거두이네데 베 삼동과 지다 디토리아 아주지 가져다 독수의 제도를 총의미나 아니 신의지 가르쳐야 다 녀모는 녀모대 아이나라 가리네 다 간다지 이제 전주선배 잡아서 남도홍 아이나라 때 가서 정말 연구하면서
Therefore, the great Kadampa masters used to say, always spy on yourself with mindfulness. Supervise that spying with vigilance. And be careful with circumspection. We use mindfulness to observe or spy on what is actually happening with us. This is supervised by vigilance or awareness, and these are reinforced by being careful or circumspect. Now, in terms of what we are observing, what we are watching out for, there is only one thing we need to watch out for, and that is kleshas. There is only one threat or one enemy we need to fear, and that is our kleshas. So that is what we watch out for. That is what we seek to avoid or inhibit. And if this discipline of mindfulness, vigilance, and circumspection is well kept, then you will be able to apply the particular antidotes or remedies to particular kleshas, and you will be able to successfully sustain all aspects of a bodhisattva's training.
다들 이제는 수록은 순수뒤마 대들 준비 개와는 타인들 동해세시 고순 남버다베 시럽기 전주공화 야세라네 다디기 개와 잡에 전주 동화가 돼 말이야.
The 37th stanza, also on page 32, presents the last aspect of the training, which is the dedication of all one's virtues to perfect awakening. It says, "These virtues accomplished through diligence, with wisdom free of reification of the three aspects, to dedicate them to awakening in order to remove the suffering of the countless beings, is the practice of a bodhisattva."
대인주상 야세 전수선배 잡아 라레나 배 가신 쪼신 주비 에가 저 준주 담 배바침비 거네 다 가지고 이제 주비샤비 개와 가르임바 디츠네 라식 주비 개와 탐지 개회사 머리바 탐지 로아심제 탐지기 한 동해 세외시로 전에 코숨 넘버 답이 시럽 있으면 그렇잖아. 저번 전주도 오고 그래서 대가래서는 야세 전주만 넘기 랑이 사비 개회자 취미서 권내 공도 배배 다지 탑계기 탑을 개배게 랑래 차례이 말해서
The point here is that you dedicate all of the virtues, the virtuous actions, good deeds that you accumulate through a diligent or enthusiastic pursuit of a bodhisattva's training, and all of the goodness accumulated by all other beings, to the alleviation or the removal of all suffering of each and every being. And you do this with the wisdom which avoids conceptualization or reification of the three aspects. Such dedication is the skillful way that bodhisattvas ensure that their virtue or goodness not only not degenerate, but increase and remain inviolate until they achieve perfect Buddhahood.
대양 전주선만 나오게 에너지 자신기 다시 랑 개회자와 지사요 그다 탐지 에는 심지어 탐지 동해서야 되는 거 대응을 받을 때는 지가 개화지서로 다 대야 심지어 탐지라는 거 대응을 받을 때는 개회자와서 대야 심지어 탐지라는 거네 개화 미세베 때도 배서 딱 하나지 그때 지 개회자와의 세바메 다 드네지 용대요 다들 미세베데 베나지 싸워 그때는 시시 봐 때도 배네 미세베 때도 배다 정일지 가르쳐다지 가르쳐다지 도바 중세에게 매마 탐지 현력이 치동은 다들 간다지 오와서야 돼야 칸에베 지 교르지 쇼지 사람지 드네지 지보제라 오와서 말아 오마람서 말아 칸에 교르지 쇼지도 탐지가 랍싱으로 이내야 드네 조데 지 니지심을 다 권으시면 저 정일라지 도바 중세에면 진짜게 동심 첨부를 지심을 치 니지심을 지심을 동심 집을 지심을 안 대딩도 되는지 남의 도바 시럽이 지심을 진짜게 관에 간다르지 개와디 남게 타다 냐뭐 벨 공네 공배도 벨네 다 개와 미시비다 또 배잖아 다 간다 들으시 다 들으시 제비미나 에너지 디 천수세베게 개와 우주도 쳐 있으래
What this means is that bodhisattvas dedicate all roots of virtue to the removal of all the suffering of all beings. By doing that, they accumulate more virtue. They then dedicate that virtue to the removal of all of the suffering of all beings, by which they accumulate still more virtue, which they then similarly dedicate to removing all of the suffering of all beings, and so on endlessly. Because of this endless dedication, and therefore endless further accumulation of virtue, the virtue of such a bodhisattva is truly inexhaustible, like a treasure that is buried deep underground that can't be found or stolen. The key to this, of course, is that the dedication be unreserved, without any reservation, that all of one's virtue is given away to all beings. This is more than simply saying, may it be so, may this happen. We can all do that, but the act of such dedication, such aspiration, involves a truly unreserved compassion, a truly unreserved giving mind, and also the wisdom of selflessness. And this is how bodhisattvas bury their virtue so deep that it can never be impaired or degenerate and becomes inexhaustible.
Pena ngasugi misijilwe sashawe gyunordi. 다 misijil sashawe gyunordi tamadela taji sura jigin shadi ngasuti 된다 첨부지 샤데 미지나 된다 첨부지 대 야부 뭐죠나 되는 여러 마음 소어다 미자나로 베 여러 마음 용어 제자다디 머시 콘라다 직디 수수사샤베 주너드 직수를 되게 인사다 대사 지 머시 콘에 이게 티아로 된데 루수요 다디 수수기 베나지 수수를 자와요 된게 수수기 배 하자 수수기 될 자와 전부 요된게 야나지 네 시라게 배 가르르데 아나다지 텔야 셴바 전부 요대바 든디질 되거와 어다 되는 시체는 수수기 계획 자와 뒤숨 사샤베 계획 자와 데이터 간다지 treasuries and resources 다 간다지 방주를 첨부디 술을 재워 수수 답을 잡대버려 주면이봐 대술을 재워서나 또지 가지 있으면 탐제를 재워 가지 있으면 탐제래요 배 가지 있으면 탐제래야 배 지니 아니 수수 답보면 입시 가지 있으면 탐제를 봐 지니 조세 얘기하면 간주 뭐류바 탐제 가지 있으면 탐제를 지니 저거 제자디 다디 진짜 삼던도 레라보면도 와 레라요 마 수수 미지질 사셔도 되나 뭐와 제사들 레라보도 와 가르서나 가르쳐서 뭐다 제쳐서 간다 뭐와 제사나고 수수기 잘라 가서 수수기 무슨 떼고 말아 떼고 말해 제사 뭐다 제토사래 셈는 뭐와 책이 있어서를 정고 셈는 뭐와 책이나 락백 파 담보 심되나 된지고 드린 주산에 오마디 둥지시야요. 둥. 된 둥데 가르서나. 될 지기나 대중.
We make a big deal out of inheritance. In other words, we're very, very concerned about what will happen to our wealth and our property after we die. We take measures to ensure that our will is enforceable and valid, and we're very, very careful about to whom we bequeath our stuff. Generally, we leave our money and our stuff to those we love most, those for whom we have the most affection. Well, similarly, if you ask, to whom do bodhisattvas bequeath their virtue? They give their virtue to all beings without limit and without reservation, because they have equal affection and love for all beings. Now, this is not that easy. It's easy to say a dedication. I dedicate this, I dedicate that, because we believe while we're doing it that we're not actually giving anything away. But a tight-fisted dedication is not enough.
droba tizu tizi yuanden shirame lobjong shira chinyome tizu kuban ro jeza namgyun di droba tizu tizi nyebjun ro shega tongchung ro chen droba tizu kangshiya mara so ina droba tizu samsam pe chungbu shwe 가서 정보 제네베 가서 대가르서 팅질이야 라마지기 왕구르스 왕구르두잖아 아주 왕구르두자 매반저스 망불러거라 이직 탑중냐베 매반저 니니 탑중냐베 매반저스 다 가르 콜리교 제보 가서 다지 상계 공부 탑중냐베 매반저스 콜리교 제보 탑중냐베 매반저 매반저 망불러 Tenen droba dige Quranla puya shindaya omaras puya da kaza marji garso marde semjeng chaba so po dige tumjaba tende je marji garso marde Quran ma tene so rumni samar rumni ma tene lama choranla bua pyunyambe mabanze mikdensi te paduso tene 오다 드네 인주산 다데 나라주기 남규 오다 말람디 되기서 참 몇바차를 치바지 수수기 오와 체베 몇바체 샘제 담제 드네 대점시 말에 몇바 지보 말에 오즈다지 데리케이션 좀 오스 오토버스나다 드리베지 차바다 셈 가야면 드리지 오토바스 좋아해미라 오남다 차데 제자 디규zel 되네 쿠르숨 넘버 미도바 사디 대순과 겸센데 데려도 쿠르숨 넘버 미도바 사 쿠르숨 넘버 미도바 사디 초진다지 짐바보요 오와보요 말은 오에 유요 말에서 참사 괜찮아도 이내 아깝들야디 가신 제자 미카싱 알츠도 ngonggeyo mare ngojuyo mare ngoyo ma karngo gor스 되는 딩와디 가르스 조데 셴바메 차바데 셴바 가메 용수 동아 된지지 축셴바지요 이제 청구도 와 딕 유전되네 고슴 넘버메도 바사데 개첨이면 지송을 알았어
There's a story that illustrates how we often dedicate our virtue. The story takes place in Tibet, where a nomad was present at an empowerment being given by a lama. Now, to understand the background for the story, you need to understand that in general, in Tibet, because nomads usually had very little education, they were perceived by others in the society as ignorant. But actually, some nomads were pretty clever, and this is a story about a fairly clever one. During the empowerment, at each phase of the empowerment, the empowering Lama would say, now imagine that X, that something's being touched to your head. Now imagine this. And some of this, now imagine this, was quite highfalutin. Now imagine that you're a Chakravartin. Now imagine that you're Buddha, and so on. Well, after a lot of this, now imagine this and now imagine that, finally the nomad, who as an offering had brought a block of butter contained in the stomach of an animal, produced the butter out of its covering, the animal's stomach, took it out and said to the Lama, now Lama, imagine that I'm offering you this butter, and then put it back in the stomach and put it away. That is indicative of the way that we often dedicate. We say that we are dedicating, which means giving away all of our virtue to all beings, but in the back of our minds is, well, this is just imaginary. I'm just saying this. I don't really actually have to give anything up or give anything away. I just sort of have to say this. That's not what dedication is supposed to be. Dedication is supposed to be complete giving, without any kind of reservation, without any kind of attachment or craving. And that's why it mentions in this stanza, and frequently when discussing dedication, free from reification or conceptualization of the three aspects. Now, often this is explained as no belief in a dedicator, no belief in beneficiaries of the dedication, no belief in the virtue or merit being dedicated, which sounds very, very strange. And people have asked me about this, saying, well, if there's no one dedicating and no one receiving the virtue and no virtue to dedicate, what are we dedicating? But really, what freedom from reification of the three aspects means is to have no reservation, no attachment, no craving for what you're giving away, to give it away totally without holding anything back.
Shema tanga zupe samsam pe kenza shab. Ngowa pa juma chiche. Ngowa de juma ruche. Ina geza de ngoma de togu azu rewadil expectation. Ngowa de pa juma chiche. Ina geza de ngoma de togu. Toba azu de expectation. Pena chare tangi di zhongna xile. Lama digi wan de de ko meba chena zhigo re. Ina marting togu tago. Marte matonen zhigo men. Lama del. Jig chena 가서 남한테 교랑 말든 안 맞는 지금이스 제가 그 jumping from the throne 말든 내가 드라이닝 거 지가는 맞촌 어다 드린 주산에 제가 아주 어와치란 드리지르도 어와 봐 주마르치 메바르치 이나 게자디 다 어와 제거해 준세 내가 게자지 토고래 제자 디준세 때네 게자 어마치 토고서 어 주만 지나 고자 게자 어마치 가와토 그래 토고마 아 겨 드린 주산 디준세 때네 지 어와 제베나 지 게외 자와 산 디기 톨레 때네 지 야부 용거라서 서비스 챙겨라 다 디르고만 디준세 때네 지 코스미도 왔어 네 드리시 용고 요소라
We're often a little bit odd, by which I mean a little bit inconsistent in our expectations. We're fine with a fake dedication. We're fine with just mouthing the dedication, knowing that we don't really mean it because we don't feel we actually have anything that we need to give away. But at the same time, we still maintain the expectation for a real, solid, concrete result to the virtue we've performed. In other words, we still expect the virtues that we believe we've accumulated to lead to a solid result. It's a little bit like if you continue the story and you imagine the Lama replying and saying, well, no, it's fine that the empowerments are imaginary, but that butter, you have to really give me the butter. The butter can't be an imaginary offering. No, imaginary butter is useless. Or maybe jumping down off the throne. it has to be, if you cannot expect a real concrete result to your virtue if your dedication is fake, is spurious or not real. And so therefore, when it said freedom from conceptualization of the three aspects, it means you have to actually, wholeheartedly, without reservation, dedicate or give up, give away all of your virtue.
다들 살고 있어래. 나도 길이지기 라마 직수로만 돼서 패스. 제가 다들 살고 있어래. 마다 디서 다 신한테 사와도.
I'd better finish because those scary KTD llamas are hovering.
솔로가 순주 다 장갑니다. 다들의 자외 전세 수바 죽이 된도가 돼 말이야. 죽이 된도가 되려야 나세가 전생아로 차려야.
So now we come to the third, if we return to the basic template of the text, there are three parts, and now we come to the third part, which is the conclusion, which has 5 sections.
당무대라 노규 된전남의 숭배돼 담바담 이 숭배전라는 야세는 게라는 수주도 야세라는 롬도 된도 그 다되기 강게 된도 잠바티 강사 건지기 체도 공기디 된전디 잠바인스 되때문에.
The first of these is in the next stanza on page 32, which is simply marked S. I don't know what S is. And it says, following the speech of the noble ones and the meaning of what is said in the sutras, tantras, and treatises, I have put forth these 37 practices of a bodhisattva for those who wish to practice the bodhisattva path. So that is the first section at the conclusion, a statement of why he composed the text.
다들은 이번에 로드면서 장바충비지 개발기에 대저마치디 너다 담배 손을 대면서 야세라는 취미라고서 다디기 라는 취미 야야세에 라는 취범에바 땜바인소.
The next stanza is his declaration that what he has composed is a correct or unmistaken exposition of the Bodhisattva's training. He says, because I am of inferior intellect and little training, I do not have any poetic verse to please the learned. Yet, because I have relied upon the sutras and the noble master's speech, I believe that these practices of a bodhisattva are without error.
The next somebody when you just java Lapsinam Lomedan the Tingbaga Genda Mandela Sunye Betso Tambanam Gisaber Zedus Tadigi Kimbo Jones Sabasa Ada Kimbo Jun Teju Zamba Buranigi Kimbo Jonada Anaji Sabasa the neighbor.
And then the third part, which is the next stanza, is an expression of modesty, a disclaimer that removes any possibility of the perception of arrogance, and also an apology in case there are defects. He says, nevertheless, because it is difficult for someone like me with an inferior mind to fathom the vast ocean of bodhisattva conduct, I pray that the holy ones will forgive all faults, such as contradictions and irrelevancies.
다들 시바디 텔레종의 기회 조하고 전담구조 전수심죠. 시대시에 탈라미네비 제레스는 대다 송버쇼사. 잠베게와 전수동화이바.
The fourth section of the conclusion is the dedication of the virtue of the composition of the text to awakening. And it says, by the virtue of that, May all beings, through the supreme bodhicitta, both ultimate and relative, become like the protector of Avalokiteshvara, who does not abide in the extremes of samsara or nirvana.
大家的理解了，我把的解放先来偏偏的弄到这个嘛，怎么他们我觉得这不都教我啥的，凭什么说把西单店给加强的？凭什么说把西单店吧？凭什么说把西的还在啥呢？咱把的价位给点去，看给起都咱吧，看给装吧，看都咱别呢，就这个的凭什么说把西单店吧？
The fifth and final part of the conclusion is the colophon, and the colophon here describes the fourfold excellence of this composition. It says, "For the benefit of myself and others, this was written by Tongme, a monk who follows scripture and reasoning at the Ngutsu Rinchen cave." This describes the excellence of the treatise itself, the excellence of the reason why it was composed, or the intention, the excellence of the person who composed it, the author, and the excellence of the site or place where it was written.